Though I've made several videos about Leo on my channel, I realized that most of you don't know how he got from an idea to who he is today. So today, ladies and gents, I give you the story of a robot, Leo. Leo started way back in 2018, when I was a freshman in high school. On May 29th, 2018, James Bruton, who I mentioned in my last video about VR, released robotx as open source. The next day, I asked my physics teacher, Mr. Wilkinson, who's awesome by the way, if there was any way I could make robotx. It was kind of meant to be a joke since I figured it wouldn't be a possibility, but before I knew it, we were on our way. He helped me set up a GoFundMe, which ended up funding most of Leo. We also tried to get a grant, but apparently we weren't what they were looking for. But it's okay though, I was still determined in Leo, so I assembled a team of nerds to help me out. That's about it for today's video. I would love to hear it in the comments below. Something I really want to do is turn it into a Harry Potter hyper reality setup. Harry Potter. Anyway, ladies and gents, that's about it for this episode. Stay awesome, and I'll see you later. I forgot something, didn't I?